That is also true. So then compare the two middle ones, 11 by 13 and 7 by 19. So 11 by 13 and 7 by 19. 11 9s are 99, 13 7s are 91. So 99 is less than 91, so that is false. So that's why C is false. See here, only in C we have done this so much calculations. In B we solved it easily. That's why I say don't find the LCM of all these at one stroke. Go step by step. First two, last two, then middle two. So now D, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. First compare the two. So 11 has a 55 and here 63. That is true. Then last two, 10 by 13, 7 by 9. This 90, 117. That is also true. Then middle two, 9 by 11, 10 by 13. So 117 less than 110. So that is false. That's why D is false. Now A, 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. So 45 less than 49. Similarly here 9 by 11, 11 by 13. So 117 less than 121. That is also true. First two, last two, now middle two. 7 by 9, 9 by 11. So 77 less than 81. That is also true. So that's why A is true. This was a bigger problem. Actually it consisted of 4 problems. That's why this was a bit bigger one. So A is the answer. Next, if x equals to 2 plus 3 into 2 upon minus 5, then mod of minus x equals to modulus of any number means its absolute size. The modulus of a negative number is found by ignoring the minus sign. First solve x equals to 2 plus 6 upon minus 5, so minus 8 by 5. Now we want minus x, so minus x means plus 8 by 5. Now we want modulus of minus x, so it becomes 8 by plus 8 by 5's modulus. It means plus only. So even if modulus wouldn't have been there, then also the answer would have been 8 by 5 only over here, because minus of minus is plus. But remember one basic thing, modulus of any number is always positive, always and always and always. So modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PCs. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp on the number for purchases. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.